today's video I'm going to be telling you all about this synthetic wig I have on today. I love doing like videos on synthetic wigs because I just love them so much. Just something about synthetic wigs just get me really excited, and this one has me gassed. Like, I was posing, I was feeling the music, I'm just feeling myself at the moment. So this hair was sent to me by a company called Gearbest. This is the first time I've heard about them, and I was really surprised because they have so many different wigs on there. Like, they have human hair wigs and they have synthetic wigs, but the synthetic wigs looked really, really good. This wig I have on today is in the style natural wavy. It's a soft fibre hair. It's glueless synthetic lace front wig, and I got this in the colour deep brown, and I asked for the longest length, which is 26 inches, so this should be the 26-inch one, which isn't super long. So yeah, I love it. I'm feeling it. So obviously this is kind of like a body wave kind of texture going on. Because I brushed up the hair and I thinned the hair out, it has lost some of its curl, but I'm still really feeling it. So let me just get my mirror up. Let me just tell you now, the hairline did not look like this when I received it. The hairline was way more denser than this, but what I did was that I went ham, like I went hard and plucked a lot of the hair just at the front. And the way I did this was, so I'm just going to quickly show you an example because I didn't do it on camera. The way I did this was I literally just took little bits of the hair, like tiny bits, tiny bits, like this, and literally wrapped it around my finger and ripped it out. And I kept doing this all over the hair, at the front of the hairline, until I was satisfied with the way the hairline looked, because I felt like at first when I tried it on, it was nice and I could tell that they did like thin out the edges a little bit, but for me personally I wanted it to be thinned out a bit more. And even after I had done it, I didn't even need to have baby hairs, but I felt like the baby hairs was kind of like, it completed the look. So I just added baby hairs, thinned out the hairline, and put some foundation on the scalp, and I really like it. Initially when I first got the wig, it came in a normal packaging. It had a hairnet and what type of jazz. The construction of the wig, I'm going to show you another wig that they sent, which I'm going to do a review on so you guys can see the construction of the wig. This is another one that I'm going to probably do a video on. I'm going to probably show you guys how to thin it out and do the hairline and everything. But this is what it looks like. It literally looks like a human hair lace wig. So the inside of the wig looks like this, like a normal constructed cap. It has elastic bands, the adjustable strap. Is it elastic band? Yeah, it has the straps here, which is adjustable straps. It has combs in there as well if you don't want to like obviously glue it down. That's the reason why it's a glueless wig. And it has like the lace at the front. So in my next video I can show you guys how to really like thin the hair out and do the hairline, because obviously I was doing this off camera so I didn't show you guys, but on the next one I can show you. So yeah, when I first got the hair, when I opened the packaging, I was really confused. I was like, wait, is this from the company that I think it is or not? Because it felt like human hair at first. What I really like about this as well is because when I buy synthetic wigs from the hair shop, the lace is super hard, whereas this one is really soft, like a human hair lace wig, which I really like. So it's really mimicking what you would get for a human hair lace wig. What would I say about this? So the hair was really thick, so I did go in and thin it like I said before, and I just played around with it. I really like this a lot. Like, I love it because, as I said, like, I keep saying this, but it just reminds me of a human hair wig, and I feel like if you haven't got the money to buy a really, because this, to be honest, it would get away with being like a 200% density wig, if I'm honest with you. So if you're not really like you're on a budget, you don't really have money to be spending over, you haven't got money to be spending $200 on a wig, definitely get this, because I think this was like $80 or something like that. And for the price, I think it's really nice. And I think they were doing a promotion. When I looked at the website, I think they were doing a promotion and there's like a discount if you spent over $50, so definitely check that out. When I ordered it from the company, the woman said to me it would come within 2 weeks, and it literally came in a matter of a few days, if I'm honest with you. So I was really confused. I was like, oh, I didn't expect the hair to come. So I guess it doesn't take as long as it says, but I guess they just do that just in case they have any unexpected delays. So yeah, but I'm going to leave links down below to this wig and to their contact details if you have any questions. But I was really feeling this, and obviously you can do whatever you want. I can move it to the other side. I can probably pack it up if I'm honest with you, because I did glue down the sides. As you can see, it does knot up a bit, but that's kind of expected when it comes to lace wigs, synthetic wigs. So yeah, in the links down below there's going to be a few links to some other wigs that are on like a promotion at the moment, and it's got a coupon code there, so if you are feeling them you can check those out and get some discount on that as well. So there's like a few things like $20–30 off of it, so you're going to save yourself some money. So definitely check them out because I'm really feeling it, and I'm looking forward to doing more reviews on their hair because it's so nice. And even when I was touching it I really thought it was human hair. I was like, no, this can't be from that company, it must be from another company I was talking to, but it was. So yeah, I really love it, and I just like this whole like deep side part. But if you want me to do like a video on how I installed the hair and thinned out and stuff, I'm going to do it with another wig that I got from the company. So if you have any questions that you want me to answer, I will answer all those questions in my next video, so leave comments down below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing, and maybe give me some suggestions on some videos. And obviously when I reach 5k I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're active on my channel so I can contact some of you guys and send you some products. I am going to be coming out with some lashes in a couple of months time. I don't know when I'm going to be doing it, but I will be sending some lashes to some of you guys to obviously get your opinion on if you like them and stuff like that, because obviously I want you guys to love them. And yeah, really hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I'll see you later.